Sup, and I tell you exactly what's happening. Welcome back to another video, boys and girls. Over my shoulder in the distance, let's give you a little look at this first. You might recognize this. This is a famous Denby Asylum. That's the main building. That's all the other buildings. As you can see, the site is very much active now. It is a no-go. This wasn't the entrance anyway, but this is a no-go. They're on there, they're doing building work. They're actually there as we speak. But what I've come to do is do a little bit of a video because I need your help. You might think, boss, why do you need the help? Right, anyone that's been through this channel over the years will know us part of a paranormal team. And the new members might not. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing here because there's a lot of cool stuff. But drop in the comments, say, yo, I'm new in it. So yeah, I won't go into the politics of it. You might remember I was part of a paranormal team for many years, which actually got pretty decent size, I'll be honest with you. We had a nice bit of following, done some amazing locations around the UK and further afield. But anyway, that didn't happen anymore, and the whole team has sort of left it, bar one member. That's all I'm going to say on it. But I've got a new paranormal team, the Paranormal Fellows. Now, we started this a couple of years ago. We've done a number of locations, some are repeats which we've done before, but doing it again, fresh eyes, fresh team, that sort of thing. And basically, I want your help to go over to that channel, type in the Paranormal Fellows, Skirrid. That's where you will see it, but I'll pop in the description below, and I'm going to need all of you to go on over there. If you're interested in ghost hunting and paranormal, bit of travel stuff, because there's all sorts going on there, I need you to subscribe, yeah? Show some support for your boy, innit? And it's going to consist of Dan Disorder, Mr. Lee, you all know and love. He's been featured on his channel many times in the past. We've got Chloe, Mary, innit? And also Mr. Alan, who we also love. So this is a very short video. I want your help. If you're interested in the paranormal, if you could please do us a solid, go on over, literally smash that subscribe button, have a little look. There's loads of content on there already, and in the background we've got 2 or 3 which are going to be dropping in coming weeks. So paranormal is your thing, it's worth a little nosy in it. But aside from that, it's just, yeah, thank you very much for, I'm making that comeback, support me on all that sort of thing. But also Denby, I wouldn't bother anymore, but it's going to be good to see this when it is actually done. But if you're interested in Denby, what I'll do, I'll drop it in the comments below, because I've done this place many times over the years, and it is yeah, it's one of those incredible places. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, that's enough of my rambling. Go help your boy out. Thank you very much. Peace and love as per. See you at the next one.